viewers, you're watching The Savera and I'm Vidhi Joshi. The Bombay High Court today issued notices to the 7 accused who were acquitted in the 2008 Malegaon blast case in response to an appeal filed by the families of the victims. Notably, the appeal challenges the acquittal of the accused, including former BJP MP Pragya Singh Thakur and Lieutenant Colonel Prasad Purohit. A bench comprising Chief Justice Sri Chandrasekhar and Justice Gautam Ankhad also issued notices to the National Investigation Agency and the Maharashtra government, directing that the appeal be heard in 6 weeks. The blast occurred on September 29, 2008 near a mosque in Malegaon, a town located in Maharashtra's Nashik district. The explosion, which was carried out using an improvised explosive device strapped to a motorcycle, resulted in 6 fatalities and injured over 100 others. In the years following the incident, the case attracted widespread attention due to its alleged links to right-wing extremist groups, with the prosecution arguing that the blast was carried out with the intent to terrorize the Muslim community in Malegaon. The petitioners representing the families of the 6 victims have contested the decision made by the special NIA court on July 31, which acquitted all the 7 accused in the case. They argued that the acquittal was erroneous and legally flawed, and they all are seeking for the court's order to be set aside. The appeal claims that a faulty investigation or gaps in the probe should not be grounds for acquitting the accused. It further asserts that since the conspiracy behind the blast was hatched in secrecy, direct evidence of the conspiracy cannot be expected. In the petition, the families of the victims raised concerns about the role of the trial court in the case. They argued that the court should not have acted as postman or mute spectator during the trial. The petition stated that the trial court had failed to take proactive steps when the prosecution was unable to establish critical facts, such as questioning witnesses or summoning relevant evidence. It criticized the trial court for allowing a deficient prosecution to benefit the accused, arguing that this led to a miscarriage of justice. The petitioners also highlighted the flaws in the investigation, particularly after the case was taken over by the NIA. They argued that the NIA had diluted the charges against the accused and mishandled the case, which had originally been investigated by the Maharashtra State Anti-Terrorism Squad. The ATS had uncovered a major conspiracy involving the 7 accused, leading to their arrest. However, after the NIA assumed control, they claimed that the agent weakened the case against the accused, which led to their eventual acquittal. The 7 individuals who were acquitted include Pragya Singh Thakur, Prasad Purohit, Major Ramesh Upadhyay, Ajay Rahirkar, Sudhakar Duvivedi, Sudhakar Chaturvedi and Sameer Kulkarni. The NIA court in its judgment had noted that the prosecution had failed to provide reliable and cogent evidence that could prove the involvement of the accused beyond a reasonable doubt. The court also pointed out several deficiencies in the investigation and stated that mere suspicion was not sufficient to secure a conviction. The appeal filed by the families of the victims contends that the trial court's judgment should not be allowed to stand, arguing that it undermines the pursuit of justice. They have expressed their dissatisfaction with the manner in which the case was handled by both the NIA and the special court, and they are seeking a fresh review of the case in order to ensure that the accused are held accountable for their role in the deadly bombing. The Bombay High Court's decision to issue notices to the NIA, the Maharashtra government and the acquitted individuals marks a significant development in the ongoing legal battle over the 2008 Malegaon blast case. The court will now review the petition filed by the families and assess whether the acquittal was justified, with further proceedings scheduled to take place in 6 weeks. That's all for now. Stay tuned to The Savera for more updates. Do like, comment and subscribe to the channel.